Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to change your password on Melbet. So let's get started. For that, let's get into Melbet app. So here it is. Now make sure you are logged into it. After that, we need to simply click on menu icon in the bottom right and click on this settings icon on the top right. Now we need to click on profile icon over here on the top right and we can see this password option. Simply click on change and you need to enter your current password, and if you have forgotten it, simply click on forget password here. Now simply click on next. Now we need to tick mark here for the verification and make sure you complete this verification process. After that, we'll get a link in our email address to finally reset the password. After which we can finally change the password. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.